Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to see what all things we can do just with the select query in Microsoft SQL Server with the help of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I will also leave the link to the download of this Microsoft SQL Server in the description below. Let's get started. So once you log in into your Microsoft SQL Server, I have created a practice database here called as PracticeDB. So let's open a new query. Here inside the practice DB, you can see that we have number of tables called as customers, order, order item, product and supplier. So let's start with a very simple query which will fetch us all the records which are already in the customer table. So since the customer table is lying in the practice DB, we will just write select star. Now writing star will fetch all the columns from the customer table. So select star from DBO dot customer. And let's execute it. So here you can see that we get all the records which were inside the customer table along with all the columns. Now in the next query, we will try to select only particular columns from this same table. So we will write select first name, comma, last name. So here we are only selecting two columns from the same table, select first name and last name from DBO customer. And let's run it with the help of F5. So F5 is just a shortcut to run the queries in Microsoft SQL Server. So here you can see in the result that we only got a result for first name and last name from the customer table. Now in this query, earlier query, you had saw no order here, but just by using the order clause in the above query with the first name in it, so we can order the query according to the first name. So let's run this query, select first name, last name from customer table, order by first name. So here you can see that the result we are getting is according to the first name. And by default it is ascending. If you want to change the order, you can also give it descending. So once you write it descending, you will see that Z name, first name customer is coming first. Then we have Y and so on in the descending order. Now what if we want only particular records from the table? So here we have a top clause which you can write along with the column names. So here we have select top 10, which will fetch us only top 10 columns from the customer table. So let's execute this one. So here you see that we get the top rows from the customer table, but the order here is again according to the random order that was actually present in the customer table. What if you want the same thing with the above query? So for that, just we write order by first name and let's run it. So here you see that we get the top 10 rows from the table which are ordered by the first name. So in the next query, what we'll do is that since you see here that once we select first name from the customer table, we have 91 records in total, but there are many duplicate records too. So how to eliminate this duplicate records? So there is a keyword which you can apply on the first name, that is the distinct keyword. And just by writing distinct keyword on the first name, we will get all the distinct first name from the customer table. So in this next query, what we are going to do is that we are going to choose the first name along with the count of all the rows which are present in the table, and we will rename that as record count, and we'll be grouping it by the first name, and along with that we'll be using the having clause which will tell us the count which is greater than 1. So we will be getting all the records from the table which are having count greater than 1 with the help of this group by first name and having count star is greater than 1. So let's run this query. So here we get all the first names which have record counts in the table which is obviously greater than 1. So Carlos, Elizabeth, Maria, Paolo and Yoshi have multiple records present in the table. Now in the next query, We will be applying some clauses to our customer table, particularly the where clause we will be using. So here we will be writing like the country is equal to USA. So what this query will do is that it will only select all the rows which have country USA. So here we get all the countries, all the records with country name as USA. And one more thing we can apply on this is that we'll check for the phone numbers from this table which are starting from 50. So let's do that. So for doing that, you just need to use the like clause. So we write where country equal to USA and phone number field is like. So we write whatever you want to search for in this wildcard like clause in quotes, and we write here that it starts with a bracket and 5, and then we write percentage symbol here, and percentage symbol signifies that the rest of the numbers could be anything, but it should start with a opening round bracket and 5. So now you see that we get only the records which have country equal to USA and the phone number is starting from 5. So this was all for this video that I wanted to show you, and these were the some basic things that you could have done with just with the select query in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I hope that you like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video or any of the clauses that I have shown in this video, feel free to write it in the comment section below. If you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.